girls wind up on the dance floor. All it, all it, all it, all it, all it, all it,
with another video, so it's time to review the most solid phone in a budget segment, which is the Nokia 6 2018 version. As for the design and the display appearance, Nokia 6 looks premium, with a 5.5-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. The display is curved from the side, thanks to the 2.5D glass provided in this device. Yes, this phone is a bit thicker, it is about 8.2 mm thick, but overall, the phone feels like a compact 5.5-incher. However, if you don't like bigger screen phones, this phone is just made for you. No doubt, the design of the phone looks similar to the previous Nokia 6, and the build quality, it is just strong as ever. It can easily survive about 3 to 4 drops, maybe. It is going to be the most durable phone of 2018. The golden linings can be seen everywhere, as border of this phone, which helps this device to look more premium. It is up to you. If a 18:9 display is not essential for you, you can check this device. It comes with the metal-coated volume rockers at the side, a essential 3.5mm headphone jack is on the top, and the USB Type-C port, with speakers, is placed at the bottom of the phone. You will get a hybrid SIM slots configuration in this device. The classic hand shake boot up animation is not present in this device, which is not a good news. Since you no longer have the fingerprint sensor up front, it goes to the back of the phone. The placement of the sensor is little displaced, since there are times that you might accidentally touch the flash instead of the sensor that lies below. The fingerprint sensor location is not good, as like a side-placed fingerprint sensor, but it not even worse than the Galaxy S8 fingerprint sensor location. The fingerprint sensor is highly responsive. It didn't takes too much time to set up your finger. It takes about 0.3 seconds to unlock your device. Good job by Nokia. Let me know what's your opinion about a back-placed fingerprint sensor as comparing to a front-placed fingerprint sensor. Since Nokia ditched the home button from the front, now you can also control home buttons through gestures. There are two options: control your device with on-screen buttons, or control it with the gestures. The Nokia 6 2018 comes with Android 7.1.1 Nougat version, but it is rumoring Nokia just teased the Oreo update for this device. The phone comes with stock Android, so it feels very fluid and snappy. All the features of stock Android is provided in this device. There is no issue inside this phone regarding lags during multitasking. Some amazing live wallpapers are also inside this phone, which looks attractive. Look at this wallpaper. This looks impressive when you will play music. Oh yeah, the sound quality of this phone is pretty louder. Amazing sound quality. As for charging speed, it is a lot improved from previous generation Nokia 6. This time, Nokia did two impressive work. First, they provided fast charging in this device, and second, they provided a USB Type-C port in this device, which is very important nowadays. It takes mostly 1 hour 35 minutes to full charge your device, and it will take 30 minutes to charge 50% of battery. For battery draining, according to my experience, its 3000 mAh battery is not enough for heavy users. It will mostly last long for 3 hours with very rough and heavy usage. Now finally, talking about its performance, the new Nokia 6 comes with Snapdragon 630 octa-core processor, which is a very efficient processor for budget devices. The Snapdragon 630 is almost 30% more better than the Snapdragon 625 in terms of gaming. That is the reason gaming looks very stable in this device. As for my experience, I still not noticed any type of frame drops or lag in this device. So till now, Nokia 6 2018 is going well for performance department. As for RAM management, it is very impressive. The 4 GB of RAM in this device helps it to keep all the memory in the background. I still didn't face any reloading issues in this device. Now moving to the camera department, Nokia 6 comes with a 16-megapixel rear autofocus camera with f/2.0 aperture. However, it is a single camera, but it can take excellent shots. Let's take a look at its camera samples. Daylight pics taken from this device looks amazing, with a good color reproduction in the picture. Colors are looking impressive, and the sharpness of the picture is also impressive. Details are looking clearly visible. Good job by Nokia. However, sometimes, it struggles to capture the sun in a very high sunny day, just like this picture. Overall, a good performance by this device in daylight conditions, isn't it? Do let us know in comments below. You can go for this device if you are looking for a good camera phone, just believe me. However, if we talk about some samples taken in low light, again, dim light samples are also looking great, with more brighter picture. So that's all for this review, guys. If you really like this device, you can check its pricing details in description box. Overall, this device is amazing. If you are finding a budget phone, this brand new Nokia 6 should be my recommendation. Let me know any questions regarding this review in comments section. Thanks for watching, get subscribed to our channel, and as always, keep watching and keep smiling.